Welcome to Beltwin. We are a leading belt fabrication equipment company from China. Rubber belt vulcanizing press, PVC PU belt splicing press, belt finger punching machine, belt slitting machine, belt ply separator, high-frequency welding machine, etc. are our many engaged in products. Founded in 2006, Beltwin has been constantly engaged in the field of conveyor belt equipment for 15 years, supported by the service concept of high quality, high commitment, and good reputation. Beltwin integrates design, development, manufacturing, and sales to provide customers with professional advice and one-stop service. We have the most stable quality system and the best service team. Over the years, have become a global supplier of belt fabrication equipment for conveyor belt manufacturers, service companies, and end users. Provide customers with reliable and cost-effective equipment and services. Create long-term value is our mission. Therefore, we have never stopped improving our business to create more value. We have achieved remarkable success in the design and development of different new machines that meet the needs of customers and have established our own belt fabrication workshop for testing machines and providing training services, and are committed to providing customers with a full range of belt fabrication support. Make every effort to build a one-stop purchase and professional service for belt fabrication equipment to help you establish a new belt splicing business or upgrade your workshop. Our vision is to strive to provide complete solutions for the belting, increase productivity, and keep your industry in motion. Beltwin, forever running for tomorrow.